Good morning. Okay, we are out here today harvesting our lavender. So here's our lavender that I'm working on right now. And so if you're lucky to get these beautiful, purple, pollinating, friendly, fun, delicious smelling thingies, it's time to harvest. So this is what they look like right now. I'm going to harvest them now because they're going to be able to give me some more. So we are looking for, at each stalk, there will be the armpit, the crook of the neck, whatever you want to call it. That is exactly where we're going to harvest it with some scissors. Okay, so you're going to pinch that off, or I'm going to use scissors when I have a free hand. I'm going to cut that off, and a new one will come up right in that same spot. And you can see how these ones are wanting to do that already. So I'm going to go ahead and harvesting what I can today. I'm going to save them for teas, dry some out. I'm going to also use it for some make some delicious shortbread lavender cookies. So if you're lucky to have these beautiful things, go ahead and harvest them.